Welcome back to another deal video at Harbor Freight. We got new instant savings to cover in this video. They finally released some new ones. For the last 2 months, they were running the same deals on the same items. So to get started here, they have the Maddox 30-foot retractable test leads. It's pretty nice and compact because you're able to pull those leads out depending on the length you need. So it'll be used for electrical testing circuits. That's priced at 16 bucks. It's saving 20%. Of course, if you missed out during the parking lot sale, you could have saved 35% on that. The next item is the Pittsburg 6-inch ratcheting bar clamp and spreader. So you can turn that around and use it as a spreader. That's priced at only $2.79. That is saving 30%. It was $4. Next up is the Berger 2-piece welding brush set. So two different wired brushes there. They're made of stainless steel brush for cleaning aluminum or stainless without contamination. It's priced at $3.99. That's saving 20%. It was $5. And they have a Harbor Freight brand 250-pound pull retrieving magnet priced at only 15 bucks. That's saving 25% off the normal price of 20 bucks. They have a roll of painter's tape that is 0.94 inches. It's not quite 1 inch by 60 yards worth. It's priced at 5 bucks. It was 6. That is saving 16%. And they have the Gojo Cherry Gel hand cleanser priced at 3 bucks, saving 25%. Then they have a pump bottle of the Gojo pumice hand cleaner priced at 7 bucks. That's saving 36%. It's normally priced at $10.99. Then they have the Gojo scrubbing towels for hand and surface towels priced at 15 bucks. That's saving 16%. It's normally priced at $18. Then they have the Banks 2-in-1 brad nailer and crown stapler. It's lightweight aluminum body, so it does shoot 18 gauge brad nails as well as 18 gauge narrow crown staple. Priced at 25 bucks. It was 40. That is saving 37% there. And they have a central pneumatic HVLP gravity feed spray gun with regulator. This is what it requires: a 29 plus gallon for continuous spray or 7 to 29 gallon for intermittent spray. And it's not recommended for 1 to 6 gallon air compressors. It is priced at 20 bucks. That's saving 33%. It was 30. It's pretty good savings on that. Then they have a deal on the Merlin 3/8 by 50-foot rubber air hose. It's rated up to 300 max PSI. It's ultra durable, ideal for any job. Does have the thread size of 1/4 inch and 18 NPT. Temperature range of -20 to 165. That's priced at 22 bucks. That's saving 12%. Then they have the Bunker Hill Security 30 cal ammo box priced at $3.29. That's saving 52%. It's a pretty good deal. Normally priced at 7 bucks. Then they have the Vanguard 15-foot 16 gauge extension cord. It's great for medium use and that's priced at 7 bucks, saving 30%. They have a Franklin folding stool, the 1-step stool, priced at 6 bucks, saving 25% on that. They do have this heavy duty kneeling pad on instant savings as well. I have one of these. It is pretty rigid. I do prefer the Husky ones over at Home Depot myself, but you really can't beat this price though. It's only 5 bucks. That is saving 28%. It was $7. And they have the Jupiter power inverter, 2000 watt with 4000 watt peak. It has 3 120 volt outlets and 2.1 amp USB port, priced at 140 bucks. It was 150, so it's only 10 bucks off there. If you're getting any value from this video so far, I would appreciate that you give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more deal videos like this. And if you're on a mobile device, be sure to hype the video as it does help spread the word to other deal enthusiasts. And they have a deal on the Pittsburg Automotive Plastic Fastener Kit. It's 240 pieces total. And it comes in all these different variety of sizes and shapes to them. So it's 12 different sizes, 20 pieces each. That's priced at 13 bucks. That is saving 27% off the $18 price tag. They do have an instant savings on the Viking 15 amp fast charge, 8 amp charge for the 12 volt batteries of the different types of vehicles and boats. That's priced at 65 bucks. That is only saving 7%. So the time to get it was during the parking lot sale that they recently had where you're saving, I think it was 30% off on all these. And they have an instant savings on the Pittsburg 2-pound neon orange dead blow hammer. It's non-marring head, a soft face, and a steel core handle to it. That's priced at 8 bucks. That's saving 20%. It's normally priced at $10. And they have a couple different instant savings deals on the Pittsburg 9-piece combination wrench set. So they have them in metric and SAE, and they're both priced at 8 bucks. Saving 20%. And the metric does range from size 7mm up to 19mm. And then the SAE is from 1/4 inch up to 3/4 of an inch. Priced at 8 bucks, saving 20%. They're normally priced at $10. Of course, anything I mentioned that's under 20 bucks If it's not at least 30% off, then wait for maybe a 30% off deal that they might do in the future, but who knows when that will be. And they even have a deal on the Pittsburg 3-piece adjustable wrench set. So it has the different sizes to them. And they are normally priced at 13 bucks, but you can save 23% on them. So they're only gonna be 10 bucks. And the sizes that they do include is 6, 8, and 10 inch. Of course, I did hear from some of you guys, and they recommend staying away from the Pittsburg hand tools. Something like this would be one of these items included. Not the best quality. And they have a pretty good deal on the 6-inch magnetic parts holder by Pittsburg. It's stainless steel construction. Powerful magnet, holds up to 4.4 pounds. That's priced at only 2 bucks. That's saving 50%. It's normally $4. And they only have one left in this store. They're already sold out, mostly. They even have an instant savings deal on the Quinn 48-piece master impact socket set. They are 6-point in the 3/8 drive. This is everything that's included in the kit. So it has 20 impact sockets, 20 deep impact sockets, 4 impact adapters, 1 universal joint, and 3 extension bars. They do come in a hard plastic case, and it's both SAE and metric. It is normally priced at 100 bucks, but you'll be able to save $15 on that, so 15% off, so it's only 85 bucks. And they're running an awesome deal on the Pittsburg 1/4 inch and 3/8 drive 9-piece star point socket set. So it is handy on a nice rail that it comes with. So pretty decent kit, it looks like to me. It's an awesome deal at only 5 bucks, saving 50%. And they're also running a pretty good deal on the Pittsburg. It's a dual drive, both 1/4 inch and 3/8 drive. So depending on which side you use them on, it has a drive on each side. And it is an extendable ratchet, so it extends up to 13.5 inches to have the additional leverage. It also has a lifetime warranty. That's priced only 12 bucks, and it was 18, so that is saving 33% off. And they have another end cap full of items on instant savings. So to start off with, they have the Bauer 3-inch by 21-inch sanding belts in the 50, 80, or 120 grit. They're each priced at $4.99. That is saving 37%. Normally priced 8 bucks. Pretty good deal on that. They also have deals on the Hercules corner detail sanding sheets in the 80, 120, and 220 grit. It's a 5-pack of them, and they are ceramic and multi-surface, so you can cover on them, which is paint, wood, metal, plastic, and drywall. They have tear resistant to them, extra flexible, anti-clog coating. It is also priced at 5 bucks, saving 28%. It was normally $7. And then next up is the Warrior 4.5-inch 60 grit flap disc. That's priced at 3 bucks. That's saving 40%. They also have it available in the 80 grit as well as the 120 grit. They're all the same pricing there. Next deal's on the Pittsburg 3-piece curved jaw locking pliers set. So it comes with 5, 7, and 10-inch curved locking jaws. I also heard that these are not the best either, but they are priced at 10 bucks. That is saving 16% off of $11.99 price it normally has. And I already covered these wrenches that they have. Next up is the Warrior 33-piece security bit set in the 1/4 inch shank. It even has a bit holder with it, so it has these different security bits with it. It's always good to have different security bits on hand because you never know when you'll run into a fastener that has them. That's priced at 4 bucks. That's saving 33%. It's normally priced at $6. Next deal's on the Warrior magnetic nut setter set in the metric size. It's 9 pieces with a 1/4 inch shank, and it does come with that organizer as well. These are the sizes that it includes from 5mm up to 12mm. So they have a pretty good assortment there. Priced at only 3 bucks. That's saving 25%. And they also have it available in the SAE as well, from sizes 1/4 inch up to 1/2 inch. So it's a pretty good assortment of different sizes. They do have built-in magnets to hold the nuts, which is nice. So it's also priced at 3 bucks, saving 25%. Next deal is on the Hercules 2-pack of the 5 amp hour batteries, lithium ion ones. And that's normally priced at 135 bucks. You can save 35 bucks on that, so it's only $100. And they did not leave out the Bauer batteries. They have a 2-pack of those as well, 5 amp hour ones that are normally priced at 130 bucks. You can actually save $40 on that, so it's only $90. That's a good deal. And they do have the Warrior 18-volt lithium-ion 3/8 cordless drill driver. It is variable speed for general purpose use. That's priced only 25 bucks. That is saving 16%, normally priced at $30. And then they do have a deal on the Warrior. It's 1 3/8 plunge flush cutting blade for oscillating tools. So it's 1 3/8 wide. It's good for cutting into drywall, wood, and plastic. I'm not sure how long it'll last, but if it lasts for one project, it might be doing good. It's priced at $5. That is saving 44%. So it does make it a great deal. It's normally priced at $9. And they do have a pretty good deal on the Franklin 4-pack vacuum storage bags. So obviously it's a 4-pack of them. So if you have linens or clothing you want to keep in storage and make it nice and compact with a vacuum bag, that's how they seal up, is using like a shop vac to close it up and suck out the air. This was a newer item from last year, if I'm not mistaken, and it is a pretty good deal price at only $4, so it'll be a dollar each. That is saving 42% because it is normally priced at $7. And if you're in need of some cheap socket rails, they have these Pittsburg ones available in both the 1/4 inch, 3/8, as well as the 1/2 inch ones. And they do have that lifetime warranty on these as well. So you get whatever size you need or all three sizes. They are each priced at $1.29. That is saving 35%. And it's normally priced at $2. And they also have a deal on the Pittsburg 3-piece socket tray organizer that are available in the 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drive. And of course, they have to mention that the sockets are sold separately, but these are what the trays look like. Priced at $8, saving 20%, and only priced at $10. They do have them available in both SAE and metric sizes. And they even have a deal on the Icon Professional Scraper set. It does include 10 single edge blades with that, and it has the iconic icon handle with that as well. It is normally priced at $14, but you will be able to pick it up for only $10. That is saving 28%. And just so you know, what these instant savings deals are good until March 5th. So you do have a lot of time available to get these deals. And something like this now being $10, 28% off. To give you an example, if they happen to do a 30% off deal during this time that they are having these instant savings, then you would be able to save an additional 30% on that. So it would only be $7, which would be basically 50% off on the original price. So that'd be an incredible deal on it. So just be on the lookout for a potential future 30% off deal. And that would be the time to go into some of the instant savings that are priced under $20 for ITC members, and it'd be under $10 for everyone else. And they do have some instant savings on Merlin 5-piece industrial quick coupler and plug set, which they are out of stock at this store. But I wanted to let you know about it in case they're in stock at your store. They are priced at $4 now, saving 20%. They're normally priced at $5, so it might be something to check out. And they're also out of this next item too in the store, but maybe not at your store. It's on the Central Pneumatic 12-piece air tool and accessory set, priced at only $10. It was $15, so that is saving 33%. And they do have a deal on the Bauer, although I would not necessarily call it a deal or a good deal. It is on the 6-gallon one, 4-peak horsepower with a 7-foot kink-resistant locking hose. It is normally priced at $55, but you can save $5 on that, so it's only 9% off. Again, it's not the best deal. All right, those are going to be the instant savings deals I'm going to cover in this video. If you gain any value from it, I appreciate it. Give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel and help the channel get to 40,000 subscribers. That's my next milestone I'm trying to achieve, and I need your help to get me there. I really do appreciate you watching my video, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.